Wildcats, I'm Brazil Monroe and I'm a freshman. We are 4 days into our anti-bullying campaign and I'm excited as a freshman to do my part on raising awareness. Hopefully your Parent 1-2 classmates are getting your door decorations ideas off the ground. My bullying fact for today is 3.2 million students are victims of bullying each year. That number is crazy. I can only speak for myself, but I won't be the reason or allow any of my classmates to cause that number to rise. Together we can change the culture. Remember this year's motto is #HowAreUnity.
Brazil, that's what's up. We can definitely change the culture and mindset through #HowAreUnity. Wildcats, my name is Teron and I'm Mr. Freshman. All of these facts are mind-blowing and eye-opening at the same time. The one that I'm sharing is no different. Check this out. 79% of reported incidents are some form of verbal harassment. The next largest form is, drumroll, you already know, social media and cyberbullying. Sadly, we know this one is on the rise with Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. Let us use those platforms to push #HowAreUnity, not HowAreHate. Thanks for tuning in, Wildcats.